Represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch, mask on, fucking mask on.
Hey you guys, in today's video we are doing this yellow smoky eye. It's all matte and it's really easy, so I really wanted to do an easy makeup look for you guys. So let's just get right into this video. So today's palette is going to be the Zulu by Juvias Place, and we're going to take the yellow and just go in with the Sigma E25. I just pack it on and then I blend it out. I do the upper and lower lash line at this moment because it's so easy. Basically you can just slap this on. I suggest using a wet base, but this yellow is like perfect. I went through so many yellows trying to get the perfect yellow in this one, and this palette is just so good. And then we're going to take the orange in the palette, which is such a pretty orange. Like, I really love this palette. This palette is like completely perfect. We're going to run that against our upper lash line and just like blend it out into the yellow just for some dimension. And I'm going to do that on the lower lash line as well. So upper and lower lash line, blend in that orange as much as you can. And I'm sorry I'm not talking much in this video to you guys. I just started the keto diet and I'm like really fatigued because this is day 3, but I've already lost 4 pounds. So doing good. I just gotta get through this first week and I'll be okay. And then with no extra product, we're just gonna blend out that orange. Don't worry about the yellow getting really airbrushed because that's exactly what we want, honestly. And then for liquid liner, we want something matte because this whole eye look is matte. So we're going to take the CoverGirl Get In Line 320 black eyeliner and we're going to make a wing. This is like one of my favorite eyeliners. Definitely look into it because it's honestly, I underestimated it and I was like, wow, this is a really good eyeliner, and it's cheap too. And now onto the face. We're taking the Pop Beauty 24K face base and putting that in our hands and applying it to my face. My face is really dry this day, so I wanted something a little bit more moisturizing. Also, this gets really tacky, so I really love it, and it creates a glow as well. And then we're going to go into the Pop Beauty Zero Shine Prime for my pores and my oils. So I'm just going to put that right on top of the 24K face base. For foundation, we're going in with Hailey's Beauty Reset Foundation. I believe that's what it's called. This is a shade 4.25. It's my perfect skin tone. They have so many good olive and neutral shades. It's crazy. And this foundation, if you haven't watched my other videos, this foundation is like one of my favorites. It's so airbrushed, long wearing, it's not creased, and it's full coverage, and it's so good. It's like a semi-matte formula as well. For concealer, I'm taking the Full Spectrum Concealer. I'm not sure which shade this is. I believe this is the second lightest shade. Wish I would have had the lightest shade, but I think my cousin snatched that from me. We're just going to conceal with this concealer. It's okay. I have better concealers, but it's a pretty good concealer. And now we're taking the Benefit Hello Happy foundation powder and setting where I set that concealer. I'm using a lighter shade because of the fact that number 4 broke and because my concealer was a little bit on the dark side. And now we're going to use the Summer Solstice All-Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay and set our face. I love this stuff. It makes my cakiness go away. It's budge proof and it smells so good. Like, I really like this stuff. At first I was like, what's the difference? Like, I didn't smell a difference, but now I do. And for bronzer, we're using the Makeup Geek Tawny Bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers and it looks like I barely dipped into it, but I use this almost every time I do my makeup. color is just so perfect. They have one for light, medium, and dark, so definitely check these out. They're $20 at Target. And now we're taking the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter. This is the shade Luminous Gold, and it's so poppin'. Look at that, you guys. Look at that highlight. I like wanted to bathe in this. Like, I never even reached for this, barely, and now I'm going to all the time. Now for blush, we're gonna use one that I barely ever use. This is California from Benefit, and we're just gonna blush up my cheeks, my nose, and my temples. For lips, we used my favorite shade from Urban Decay. This is 1993 Vice Lipstick, and we're just going to pop that on our lips. Lashes, we're going to be using Benefit Bad Gal Bang and some Eyelure lashes that I'll link below. And that is the finished video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
This game get fun. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, be fine. Percocet.